Hello everyone, welcome back to the Global Studio YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to measure the area of any shape in Autocad. Whether you are working with simple shapes or complex one, by the end of this video you will know exactly how to measure the area of any shape. So without any delay, let's jump in and start the tutorial. As you can see, we have total 4 different objects in this Autocad drawing and we will measure it one by one. First we will measure a rectangle. Now to measure the area, we have total 4 different methods. The first method is go to utilities, measure and select the area option. You will see options like object, add area, subtract area and exit. To measure a rectangle, choose object. Click on the rectangle and AutoCAD instantly gives you the area. Also this option works only if the sketch is a single object. As you can see, I am not able to measure the area of this rectangular sketch because the rectangle is created using the individual lines. If your sketch is not a single object, then you have to convert the sketch into a single object using join command. Then you can measure the area using the first method, or you have to measure the area using the second option. So what is the second method? Go to the area option again, take the area option. Now you can manually click each corner using the same area tool. Once all the corners are selected, right click and click on enter. This method will also give the same result. If your sketch is a single object, then simply click on the sketch and in properties tab under geometry section, you can find the area of the object. This is the third method and also the easiest way to check the area of any object. Now if you are not able to convert the individual lines into an object, there is one more method to measure the area of a sketch. That is using a hatch option. Simply create a hatch inside the sketch and follow the first method I have explained to measure the area of a rectangle. Go to utilities, measure and select the area option. To measure a rectangle, choose object and click on the hatch to see the area details. Or simply click on hatch and then go to properties tab. Under geometry section, you can see the area details. After learning all these 4 methods, now we will learn how to add the area of all the objects. Go to utilities, measure and select the area option again. You will see options like object, add area, subtract area and exit. Select the add area and under that select object. Select all the sketches and hatches. After selecting all the objects, right click and click on enter. Now you can see the total area of all the objects. That's it. With this we have learned how to measure the area of different shapes. I hope all of you guys understood the method I have explained here, and if you have any doubts, please put them in the comment section. With this we have reached the end of the video and we will meet again with a new video. Until then, bye bye.